Alright guys, I just wanted to give an update on the Simplex. A couple things have been changed. Forks have been cut, re-welded, 26-inch wheel on the front, 17 on the back for now, big block Tecumseh, and a bunch of other changes will be happening soon with this project. The wheel is just a mock-up wheel for right now. It's not going to be the permanent wheel. Also, the jack shaft, had this laying around. I'm going to end up welding a bracket that I can bolt this onto to line up the chain and change the gears. And hope you guys like.